Okay, family, I'm finished. This is the twist. These are the twists. I did individual twists all over. And look how light and fluffy. Look at that. You can put them easily into a ponytail. Here's my little wristband. And unlike other twists that are very, very bulky and thick, look at this. I can get all of this into one ponytail. Bam, watch this. Take that off of there. I can work out. Just throw it through the ponytail. Boom, I'm ready. Look at that. Do my Zumba. Dun, dun, dun. So yeah, hope you like it. Oh, guess what? I'm gonna put a link to the salon that was charging $500 for this do. Okay, $500. I paid $24, I think, per pack. I used exactly 2 packs of hair. So what I did was, the reason it's so long is that it was a little bit of a learning curve. I just used it the way it was, and it pretty much is, if you pull it, it's to my butt. But then I started cutting it in half, and it made sort of like a layered effect. So you can do whatever you want with it. I love it. It's extremely light. It just feels like your own hair. And I'll put all the information below. Okay? I love it. Hope you do too. Bye.